Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Chemical Guys interior cleaner on the market. The Chemical Guys SPI22216 InnerClean Interior Quick Detailer. If you're a car enthusiast or just someone who loves keeping their vehicle looking pristine, this product might just become your new best friend. This 16-ounce bottle packs a punch with its powerful formula designed specifically for cleaning and protecting the interior surfaces of your vehicle. What sets it apart? Well, it's not just a cleaner, it's a protector too. The InnerClean is formulated to wipe away dirt, dust, and body oils, leaving behind a refreshing baby powder scent that instantly uplifts your driving experience. Using the InnerClean is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply spray it onto your desired surface, whether it's the dashboard, steering wheel, or seats, and wipe it away with a microfiber cloth. It's safe for all surfaces, including LCD navigation screens, making it versatile for any interior. One of the standout features of InnerClean is its zero residue formula. Unlike other cleaners that leave behind streaks or films, this product ensures a crisp, clean finish that enhances the original look of your interior. Plus, with its anti-static agents, it helps repel light dust and dirt, meaning your car stays cleaner for longer. Let's talk about the scent. The baby powder fragrance is not overpowering, but it's definitely present. It gives your car that just cleaned aroma, making it a pleasure to step inside after a long day. This scent is a nice touch, as it complements the clean look of your interior. InnerClean isn't just about cleaning, it's about restoring your car's interior to its factory-fresh appearance. The unique conditioners within the formula bring life back to dry and neglected surfaces, leaving them looking rejuvenated and protected against daily wear and tear. In summary, the Chemical Guys SPI22216 InnerClean Interior Quick Detailer is an exceptional product for anyone looking to maintain a clean and fresh interior. Its ease of use, effective cleaning power, and delightful scent make it a must-have for any car lover. Plus, with over 13,500 ratings and an impressive 4.6 out of 5 stars, it's clear that this product has made a positive impact on countless customers. So, if you're ready to elevate your car cleaning routine, give Chemical Guys InnerClean a try. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you've tried this product or if there's another one you want us to review next. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and happy detailing.